Welcome everybody to this edition of Tepig's Tuesday pack opening. As you can see, I got some new friends to join Tepig. The new bigger one. Cyndaquil. Torchic. So cool. I can't be talking too loud. Usually I already have this done, but things happen, so, you know, yeah. Anyways, here's this pack opening. I stopped doing the, intro opening type thing, since I don't really get any feedback from people. I kind of just stopped doing them, and they weren't transferring to high def, so, you know. I'd love it if people would give feedback, though. I'd appreciate it. This is a Blaziken. Look. Cool. He got a little thread, but yeah, these are cool. Aww. I wish I had a desk or something instead of this weird thing. Anyways, here we go. Get this over, get this done right fast. Anywho, alright. Squirtle, Bulbasaur, Aeron, Lotad, Torchic, Torchic, Humbuskin, cool. Bill's maintenance, cool. Reverse is a Marshtomp, cool, and he's a rare. Oh no, he's not. This is uncommon. Oh, cool. And our rare is Marshtomp. Wow, that's interesting. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoy this. Please leave feedback, comment, subscribe. Later, people.